find the value of y if we have this function. If we watch out from this question, we have our log here in base 2, our log here in base 2, and this is ordinary 2. So what do? We just have to put this in log 2, log base 2. So for me to do that, for me to find the value of y, write here solution log 2 y minus 3 minus log y base 2 is equal to, we put this in log base 2, which is log 2, we have 2 here. The whole of this is 1. So we'll bring this 2 on this side. We also have log y minus 3 base 2 minus log y base 2 is equal to, from the laws of logarithm, these two will go over this place, will give us log 2 raised to the power of 2 base 2. Which means this is log y minus 3 base 2 minus log y base 2 is equal to log 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 4 base 2. So all of them are on the same base. And if a function is subtracting a function, that means one will be dividing the other. So from the laws of logarithm, we have that log y minus 3 all over y base 2 is equal to log base 2 4. We can say this as 4. So what will we do next? This log base 2 will cancel this log. So we are now left with this and this. So we can write it here, y minus 3 all over y is equal to 4. So to resolve this from mathematics, we just say we cross multiply. If we cross multiply, this will multiply 4, y minus 3 will multiply 1, like 4 all over 1. So we have y minus 3 multiplied by 1, which is the same thing, and 4y. If this multiply this, you have 4y. So what we need to do is just to collect like terms. If we collect like terms, y here and 4y. So y, if this is coming over to this place, we have negative 4y to be equal to, if this is going over, we have 3. So y minus 4y will give us minus y, which is equal to, will give us minus 3y, which is equal to 3. So for we to make y the subject, we say divide both sides by negative 3. So we have negative 3y all over negative 3 is equal to 3 all over negative 3. So this will cancel this. Our y will now become negative 1 if this cancels this. So we have negative 1 here as our answer. So the value of y here of this function is equal to negative 1. That is how to compute the value of y for the logarithmic function.